नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
Everywhere SVGN. Let's start.
Hello friends, good evening. I think everyone belongs to SBG. It's the first kind today. It's the first company where everyone belongs to SBG in this hall. Otherwise, in all companies, many people seated in this hall, but not from a single company. But it's the only company where everyone belongs to SBG. Even lots of people there standing outside. Thank you. So let's talk about ecosystem, or like a supermarket. Everyone know about SBG? Okay, those people who recently joined in SBG, let me introduce first SBG. SBG is a kind of ecosystem or like a supermarket where you will get everything under one umbrella. Means we have a complete ecosystem in this financial market, like in crypto, in forex, in gaming, in staking platforms, in rewards plan, or in academics. So whatever options we have presently we have in these systems, you will get everything under one umbrella. The name of that umbrella is SBG Global. So let's talk about crypto, because this is a crypto expo. So let's starting with crypto. We have 3 tokens. Everyone know about our company: BGV, BitGameverse, MangoMan, and ZX, Zillion Acre XO. Out of 3 tokens, 2 already in the market, 2 already in the coin market cap: CoinGecko, Hotbit, XT, Pancake, PooCoin, Trust Wallet, MetaMask. Now this time is for 3rd token, BGV. It's the biggest sale in this era. Everyone have a Google. You can check. It's the biggest pre-sale, just because of you can focus on here soft cap of 10,000 BNB. Means those company who launch their own pre-sale, just check their hard cap. Our soft cap is more than their hard cap. Means we will raise minimum 10,500 BNB in our pre-sale. You can imagine what kind of this pre-sale will go. And hard cap is 21,000 BNB. How many of you have believed how much fund we will raise in this pre-sale? Soft cap we will reach or hard cap we will reach? Hard cap. It's a challenge. Only 15 days left in this pre-sale. It's a challenge. This hard cap of 21,000 BNB we will raise within 15 days. And this will be the record. This will be the record. A company which will raise 21,000 BNB in their pre-sale. So it's another record we will made. Okay. And one more thing. Our pre-sale started on the PinkSale launchpad. PinkSale is a well-known launchpad, and they have their own stall in this expo. So it means you can imagine the launchpad which we are using is it's a kind of a renowned platform. And this is audited by Certic Audit. Today morning, we already apply for Certic Audit. So within a few days, you will get a certification. You will get a recommendation by the Certic. Okay? So here we have a barcode, and our pamphlet we have a barcode. If anyone want to buy or want to share, so you can use this link to promote or to share. So yesterday, on 5th of October, we started this pre-sale, and the biggest pre-sale of this era. You can check the tokenomics. Total supply, we have a 70 billion. In 70 billion supply, we will use this kind of percentage in different platforms, like in liquidation, like in pre-sale, or like for exposures. Okay? This is okay. BGV is a real. How many of you have in the month of March in Dubai Expo? How many were there? Please raise your hand. In Dubai Expo, March. That time we launched this BGV as a private sale. All of you, most of the people already got this BGV in pre-sale, in private sale. You can check the data in Dubai Expo. This is a kind of sustainability in which we are already repeating our BGV in second Expo. It's okay. And okay, how many of you were joined Singapore Expo? Okay. SBG is one and only company which won 2 awards in Singapore Crypto Expo: Best Cryptocurrency Debut and Best Crypto Business Platform Award. We already won, and there is a logo of BGV. It means that token you are going to buy in pre-sale, which that token already won the best cryptocurrency debut award. Sorry, the best crypto business platform award. It means you can imagine the 21,000 BNB is nothing in the front of the BGV or SBG. Okay? So let's talk about something, what we achieved. I already told you, we have 3 tokens, except BGP, 2 tokens already there in the market, MMIT and ZAX. Okay? Now let's discuss about the profit, whatever profit you generated in this already in MMIT and ZAX. Okay? MMIT, we launched MMIT before 5 months ago. In 5 months ago, almost 16 to 17 times profit already people got in MMIT. And ZAX already, in ZAX we launched ZAX in 3 months ago. And in 3 months already people got 8 to 9x profit, 8 times to 9x profit. It means 1 million already become 9 million in 3 months. And how much percentage you are getting in SBG? 300% in just 20 months. It means that's why people are getting more interest in tokens, because 9x, 8x in only 3 months. And SBG will give you how much? 3x in 20 months. So you can imagine the profit or the rewards what we are providing you just because of all of you, means community. Total 53,000 of community we have, almost 58 active business we have 58 countries. The total business is almost 74 countries, but the active business is in 58 countries. So you can imagine how much community we have, and that's why our 2 tokens already got too much profit. Okay? You can check anywhere, Pancake, Chapu Coin or XT and Hotbit, the chart of these tokens, how much profit we generated. Now let's talk about the pink sale, which we are promoting this time. How much you're going to buy this BGV? How much you want to buy? How much BNB you will raise? How much BNB you will buy? 100 BNB. 7 BNB. The maximum you can buy in single wallet is 21 BNB. The maximum in one wallet. In a phone you have 2 wallets. It means maximum 42 BNB you can buy. Okay? And there is no any referral. So you have to promote to everyone, because whatever profit we generated in BGV, ZAX and MMIT, this BGVT will give you more profit than 2 tokens because of the community and because of it's the 3rd token we are going to launch. And after 15 days, this sale will close. And then after, it will list on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Hotbit. These 3 are already confirmed. Then after XT and 2 more token exchange we will choose after some time. But initially, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Hotbit is confirmed. Okay? Now let's talk about the ecosystem. Means how much product we have. So to discuss about ecosystem, we have one more speaker, our CEO, our hero, Mr. Anil sir is here. He will share about you.
कुछ भी बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपका जो ये क्लैपिंग है, जो आवाज़ है, जो दम है, सब कुछ इससे पता चल रहा है। 15 जनवरी 2022 से एक प्लेटफॉर्म से स्टार्ट होने वाली ये कंपनी एसबीजी सिर्फ एक एसबीजी नाम नहीं रही, पूरा का पूरा क्रिप्टो इकोसिस्टम बन चुका है आपका एसबीजी। और अभी मात्र 9 मंथ हुआ है। 9 मंथ में हम 12 से ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं। एसबीजी रिवार्ड प्लेटफॉर्म जिससे आप लोग बहुत अच्छे तरीके से परिचित हैं, एसबीजी टोकन जिसकी चर्चा अभी आपने सुनी है, एसबीजी डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड स्टेकिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जो आपको विद इन 1 मंथ, 30 डेज, 40 डेज, 50 डेज, यानी कि दिस ईयर 2022 यानी 1 साल के अंदर ही कंपनी के स्टार्टिंग के 1 साल के अंदर ही आपको मिलने वाला है एसबीजी डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड स्टेकिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, एसबीजी एक्सचेंज। फॉरेक्स ब्रोकर हाउस, एसबीजी टेक एकेडमी। तो बहुत कुछ है दोस्तों। बहुत ही कम समय में, बहुत ही शॉर्ट टाइम में, जैसे हम लोगों ने लगातार कंटिन्यू तीन एक्सपो से हम लोग रेगुलर एक्सपो अटेंड कर रहे हैं, और ये अपना कमिटमेंट था कि हम पहली बार से हर बार बड़ा करेंगे। फर्स्ट एक्सपो में हम लोग 82 लोग के साथ आए थे 15 मार्च को, सेकंड में 300%, एंड दैट टाइम 600+। और बस ये एक सोच से शुरू हुई एसबीजी कंपनी। आज इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम हम लोगों ने इंडिया में नहीं किया जो आज हम दुबई में कर रहे हैं। तो दोस्तों, अभी अपनी अवार्ड सेरेमनी है, वो जस्ट 3-4 नंबर पे अपना अवार्ड सेरेमनी है, तो अवार्ड सेरेमनी तक आप रुकिएगा। बाकी एसबीजीएन को कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, एसबीजीएन सब कुछ जानते हैं, क्योंकि हम ऐसे नहीं हैं जो स्टेज पर आके बताते हैं, हम तो आपसे मिलकर जूम पर भी बताते हैं बहुत कुछ। तो हमारे बारे में हम लोग हमेशा ऑनलाइन आके चीज़ों को कंफर्म करते रहते हैं, तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जो यहाँ हम आपको बताएं, सब कुछ आपको पहले से भी पता है। और हम 8 तारीख को अपना कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं, उसमें बहुत ही विस्तृत वर्णन करेंगे। यहाँ टाइम बाउंडिंग होता है, उधर कोई टाइम बाउंडिंग नहीं। ओके, तो अभी अभी हम लोग 15-20 मिनट और बने रहेंगे, अवार्ड सेरेमनी होगा, इसके बाद फिर हम निकलेंगे, क्योंकि एसबीजीएन अगर इस हाल से निकल जाएंगे तो इस हाल में कोई बचेगा नहीं। यही हमारी पहचान है। ओके, थैंक यू।
एसबीजी, 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 एसबीजी।
थैंक यू।
अभी कोई जाएगा नहीं, अवार्ड सेरेमनी है, प्लीज सब लोग बैठे रहिए। हम लोग भी फिर अब दोबारा भी देखते हैं क्या पैनल निकलता है, प्लीज।
All right, give it up again for SBG.